guys, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about some easy things that we can do in our lives to live a little bit more sustainably. So I know sometimes it can be kind of daunting or seem like it's going to be really challenging or time consuming to be a little more eco-friendly or to live sustainably, but there's lots of easy things that we can do to be a little bit more friendly to our environment. So today I'm going to give you guys 7 easy tips that you can use in your lives to reduce your waste. I love sustainability and being more eco-friendly, so if you guys have anything that you do specifically that you want to let me know in the comments below, go ahead and do that. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below and we will get into this video. Okay, so number 1, we have using reusable storage bags. So I definitely used to use Ziploc bags all the time. So if I needed to store something, bring something, I'd use Ziploc bags and then you throw them out. So I got these from Amazon. So they're reusable storage bags. I will link them in the description down below if you guys are interested. So they're BPA free. They're awesome for like packing a snack, but they also can be used in the freezer. So I tend to cook a lot of like beans, like chickpeas, and then I freeze them. So I'll like make a big batch and then I freeze it. So I use these bags. And then I also freeze like fruit in them. So I have like bananas in here. If you do freeze bananas, I suggest using 1 bag for your bananas and like reusing it because sometimes it does like have that banana smell to it. But to wash these, you just hand wash them with cold water and then you dry it and you can use it again. So honestly, it really saves so much if you think about how many Ziploc bags that you probably use for storage. These can really save a lot of that plastic waste, which is really, you know, not good for our environment, and it's something easy to do. You buy it and then you have them. So number 2 is to use reusable napkins. So I have these like black napkins here that I use most of the time. I do have regular napkins still that sometimes like I will use, but most of the time I use the reusable ones, and you know, honestly, you just could throw them in the wash so you're not using paper and they look nicer and fancier anyway. So it's like 2 for 1. Eco-friendly tip number 3 is to use Foodhuggers. So I love these. You can use them for like any fruits or vegetables. When you cut them in half, you just like stick this on the end of them and it keeps them really fresh. So before, I probably would use like a Ziploc bag. So I don't even use the reusable storage bags. I really like these for that. It kind of looks like this. So I use it a lot for like lemons and limes. So you basically just have your lemon cut in half, stick it on there, and it keeps it fresh. I use it a lot for onions too. I don't have an onion in here right now. They also have those avocado Foodhuggers, which I have not tried yet. Normally with my avocado, I like put it in a Tupperware and I like squeeze lemon on it to keep it fresh, which works like okay. So if you guys have tried those avocado Foodhuggers, let me know in the comments below if they actually work well. Tip number 4 is to actually eat your leftovers. So I definitely used to be really bad with this. I would not eat my leftovers, which makes no sense because I really don't like cooking. So you think I would want to eat my leftovers. But now I cook in like bulk and then I make, look at this. I made this the other day. It's huge. We already have had this 2 nights, which I might freeze some of it, but it's like a vegan version of like wild rice soup. It's really good. But yeah, actually eat your leftovers so you're not wasting your food and then you have to cook less. So that's always good, at least in my book. The next suggestion is to use a reusable water bottle. So using like single-use plastic water bottles is probably one of the worst things that we can do for the environment. The amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans is really insane. And something super easy that we can do is just use a reusable water bottle. So my favorite one, I use this. So I like to use glass because I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it's probably better than using plastic. But I love this one and it helps you really drink more water throughout the day too. So I think that's awesome. And then I can't really spill it either. So that's really awesome. I don't know why, I just really wanted one with a straw that was glass, so I could link this in the description below if you guys want. And then on a side note, I recently put my knives up here because I heard somewhere that like having your knives out on your counter is like really bad feng shui and like for your energy. So I like tried to like find a spot in my cabinet to hide my knives. I don't know. The rest of my house probably is horrible feng shui anyway, but you know, the little things if you guys are interested in that. Okay, so my next suggestion is to use like a microfiber cloth for cleaning instead of using paper towels. So I have like this stack of little mini microfiber cloths that work awesome. And if you really think about it, like when I would clean, the amount of paper towels you would go through, that this really could save a lot of paper. And then, or you could use like if you have like old kitchen towels that you want to use for cleaning. Like these used to be kitchen towels I have that they're microfiber, but I don't know, the white got gross, so now I just use them for cleaning. So, another thing that you guys can do. Okay guys, and my last suggestion for you is to actually go through your closet and donate clothes that you no longer use. I'm actually really good at going through and like getting rid of stuff because I can't stand when I have like too much clutter. But going through and donating your clothes, well, you'll feel good because you have more space in your closet, and then you're helping someone in need, and then also reducing waste by reusing clothes. So lots of benefits to that, guys. So those are your 7 ways to reduce waste. Maybe pick or choose 1 or 2 of them. If you want to do all of them, awesome, to implement into your life just to be a little more eco-friendly. Our environment definitely needs us and needs more people who care and who are trying to live sustainably. So even the little things really do matter and do add up. I definitely have more sustainability suggestions that I do. If you guys would like to see some type of video like that, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, again, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button below, I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.